So where are here? I will try to be quick now because I don't do a lot of unwrap. So this piece is really complex. How to handle that? We'll start with cylinder. Yes. Yes, it could be nice to have a cut here. Okay, I agree. I agree with that. I don't have thickness. I will make a symmetry. Okay, so first let's take a look and try that. Nice. Nice. So easy. Oh my god, it's so easy. And now I just need to, if I don't want this cut, just select the cut. Boom. Oh, I can try the unfold. Yes, it's nice. Just one nice shell. Okay, boom. What do you think, guys, that are not in Maya? Do you think it's easier than your soft, or you think it's the same thing, or... Mais peut-être Arthur. Qu'est-ce que t'en penses? C'est vraiment galère dans Maya, toi qui connais bien, dans 3ds Max, ou franchement ça se voit en fait. Donc là j'enchaîne, hein, parce qu'on va pas y passer la nuit non plus. Alors, bam bam. Ouais, forcément. Okay. I think this one is... No. Oh my god. The most boring parts in UV are all the small parts, because there are such complex to unfold than the big one. And but they take the same time, but they are not so much visible, so it's quite boring to unfold the little part. Donc là j'ai l'impression qu'il y a des triangles partout, ça va me casser les... Ok, Voilà, moi je les ai enlevés parce que ça me gonfle un peu ça. Parfait, et ici je dois pouvoir même voilà, rayer ça. Oula, qu'est-ce que c'est ça? Là j'ai un trou. Ah ouais, j'ai un trou. Bam. Donc je vois que l'outil Fill All est capable de bien se positionner et de garder les UV correctement. Ça c'est plutôt sympa. Voilà. Salut mec. Donc là, bah, simple, pareil, on va faire un cylindre. Je vais l'aligner à peu près. Et après je vais faire en 2 étapes, c'est-à-dire je vais prendre le centre ici là. Voilà, et faire une projection. Comme ça ici, j'ai mes 3 morceaux. Après je peux les rattacher juste pour le layout, pour avoir mes mèches. An Artesian tab because at the beginning of my life I make it fully in French, but now that are more and more English people, I try to do my best to speak in English, and yeah, it's great. And the setting for the Twitch is really easy to set. I think it's working nice. So yes guys, it's the new Artesian feature. Now we have a stream tab to discover and look at artists in live. It's really great. So I invite you to look at that, it's really great. And easy to set if you are a streamer. Salut Jack. So j'ai cette pièce là. Bon, on va faire un peu des pièces funky. Bon là je fais toutes les pièces funky, après je me taperai toutes les merdes, je sais pas comment je ferai, mais ça va me saouler. Donc il y a une épaisseur là-dedans. Putain, une épaisseur. Pourquoi j'ai foutu une épaisseur cette pièce? Ouais, allez, c'est gratuit. So here, I just noticed that there a thickness on this piece. There are some bugs. What the fuck? Oh my god. What the fuck? Here you see. What is that? So I will make, because it's an important pieces, I will make a little cleanup. Okay. Just to check if there are really bad things, but that seems to be okay for me. Yes, it's fine. Now set the symmetry. correct this here. Nice. Yes, so project here, boom. Next part, isolate all the intern with a simple double click. That should be fine. Yes. Cut. Flip that. What's next? Let's make some cuts on the right place. I don't even need to make a double click. I just set one edges here. Then after make modify, convert. No, I'm not sure. No, it's not. Oh, I don't know where is this icon. It's fuck. Oh my god, I absolutely don't remember where is that. Where is the tool? Is the select tool? Select no. Oh my god, what is that? Select edge loop tool. So it should be here. Select. Convert selection. Sorry, is here, and you have two edge loop tool. Okay, so you just select an edges. You make this, and it will edge loop all your edge at the same time, like in 3ds Max. In fact. I found the edge loop tool and edge ring in 3ds Max are great, so I try to find the same solution here in Maya. Okay, to click, look nice. I can also make a projection on multiple objects at the same time. So one more time, as it's not really sexy task, feel free to ask a quick question or anything like that. Okay, so boom, edge loop, make my cut. Yeah, I have a display problem. Just nice. Well, nice. What is that? This is not a piece. It's not a good piece. I will just try to transfer, but as each time it will not work. Don't know why this fucking transfer don't work. Oh, fuck. I should have made a mistake, because most of the time that works fine. So as it's a quick piece, I will just unfold it again very quickly. Done. Everything is in place, just make flip. Nice. I can even, for the layout, join the pieces together. Here, because it's not necessary, I will delete this all in order to have more easier UV. It's not necessary to keep a bad. What the fuck? Ooh. I seem to have a problem here. What the fuck? Okay, nice. Cut, please. Okay. And I think the legacy will make a better job. Okay. I don't know what to show you to be more interesting. So if you have idea of thing you want I show you, just let me know. I can take a bit of time to yes, so I need to set it to unfold. Why you do that? So I will make a legacy because unfold want to work. So guys, here I will set that like that. So here I don't know if I select that and make a make similar, I can select the similar, you see. It's easier, so now I can just make a double click, cut, select all of that, unfold and boom. Select layout, okay. And after I can, even if I want to regroup, not that, but something more like that. Yes, perfect. Okay, those two one. Yeah, you look. I found the viewport is really great also. Maybe, yes, I can set a better. Yes, okay. So here, what I can do, I will set a symmetry. Nice. I don't think that will work. What the fuck is that? Okay. I quickly clean a bit the mesh. Yes, then. This kind of shape generally don't work well at the infold. Oh yes, not bad. It's not perfect, but it's okay. Nice.